Hello, fifth graders. Today in your PWS, you learned the difference between a figurative meaning of a word and a literal meaning of a word. So today, for your assignment, you're going to choose 3 words from this list above. You're going to write 2 sentences for each word you choose. One of the sentences is going to be a literal meaning and the other is going to be a figurative meaning. Make sure you underline each word in the sentence. Here's an example. I chose the word launch. I'm going to write 2 sentences for that one word, launch. One has to be a literal meaning and the second has to be a figurative meaning. Here's an example. Mr. Smith intends to launch that old wooden canoe at the lake. I underlined the word launch, and this is its literal meaning. When they spy me getting off the bus, my dogs always launch from the porch like rockets. This is a figurative meaning of the word launch. I made it figurative by using a simile. Good luck!